Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to remove the markup area in a Word document. If you're working with track changes and comments and want to clean up your document for a final version, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Word document from which you want to remove the markup area. Now, click on the Review tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. To get rid of the markup, you need to accept or reject the changes. So what you need to do is on show markup, simply turn off, and on simple markup, click on original. Finally, make sure track changes is turned off. Click on the track changes button to ensure it is not highlighted. Now switch to simple markup or no markup. And that's it. You've successfully removed the markup area from your Word document.